Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Kids on Canvas. We are going to paint Aloha Painting today, and for that, I've already posted all the required paints, what we needed. So you all should have all the primary colors, and if you can get some secondary, that would be wonderful. So I will be also showing you how to mix primary colors to make some secondary colors. So let's start our painting today. So I'm going to start from the background, then I will do middle ground, and then I will do foreground at the end. So keep the reference image in front of you so you can keep on seeing the colors, the shine, the lighting, where we can add dark effect and where we can add details in that. So let's start our painting. In today's painting session, I will be using brush number 6 to cover the larger area. I will be using small brushes when I will be doing the fine details at the end of this painting. So brush number 6 is to cover the larger area a little bit faster. It will help us. Alright, so here I'm going to show you that how many colors I have taken in my palette. Look at this one. So I took yellow, blue, white and little brown. You can also mix red and blue to make brown, red, blue and yellow to make it brown. Alright, so you can see that I have the same exact size of the canvas what I asked you people to get it for yourself. And if you notice that my canvas is a little bit different because I'm reusing the canvas which we have used it before in our room. So let's start from the yellow color. No. So I'm going to start with blue color just to give an outline to my work, just to separate the background and middle ground. So you can see here I'm just going to use pure blue color, and I will add horizontal line kind of in the center. Okay, so this is the horizontal line for my landscape. Now I will paint the mountain, not paint actually, first we will do the outline of this, like that. We have two blue sand dune or little mountain thing at the bottom. So basically I'm not using pencil, I'm using directly my paint to draw my basic drawing with paint, which is very simple and easy. You can also do it by yourself. That's it. So this is the only drawing we have to do it right now. Now I'm going to wash my brush, and I will start from the yellow paint, because if I will start with blue color, it will mix with yellow and it will become green. So I don't want my yellow to become green in the initial stage. So I will go with the horizontal strokes. So I'm going to paint horizontally right next to my blue mountain. If you feel that your brush is getting dry, maybe you are using new canvas, so you will feel that your brush is not moving smoothly, so you can just dip your brush in the water and start painting. You don't have to mix you don't have to mix water in your paint, because the paint you are using, that's liquidy form, so you don't have to mix water in it. So you can see that I'm not going till the end, I'm just leaving here like that. So all around this blue mountain I will take a little bit from here, so you can feel that this is the sunlight. So when we do some realistic painting, we don't paint the sun, we just show the sunlight actually to show more realistic effect. So you can see that I'm using left and right motion, not up and down, and do it like this. Make sure that your painting is not getting dry. Your paint is not getting dry, not painting. Your paint is not getting dry. If you feel that your paintbrush or your paint is getting dry, you just dip your brush in the water. Okay, so now I'm going to use little bit. First of all, I will wash my brush. I have my water container here. I will wash my brush and I will show you how I'm going to take the color. So I'm going to take some blue color here in this section and mix it with white to make it little light color, light blue, because I don't want very dark blue. I want very soft. Yeah, I think this is nice, lightest one. Now I'm going to start from the left side, and I will be very careful to not to mix my blue, beautiful blue color with yellow, or else it will become green right now. I don't want to make it green right now. So you can see how beautifully these strokes are going left and right motion. And I like to use old canvases because they already have some paint in the background. I like the texture of the old canvases. So you can also try out. Sometimes if you don't like your old paintings, you can just put gesso on it and then you can reuse them. Make sure that you prepare enough paint so you can cover the whole surface properly. And you can notice that I'm doing the sides also. Don't forget the sides of this canvas. Okay, when you come here near to yellow, you can start blending with yellow now. Now it's okay if it's becoming green, that's fine, because this is the time you have to blend this one. So you need to blend your blue color with yellow so it will look nice blended color. You can see? Yeah. I feel that I need to add a little bit dark blue in the sides. It's too light right now. I'm going to take pure blue. I did not mix with anything. Pure blue, and I will just add on the sides to give little value in it. Look, you can see two tones here, like that. Blend, blend, blend nicely. Also here on the left, on the right side as well, little bit, not too much. I want to keep most of the area with very light soft blue color. You can see that how I'm moving my brush, left and right motion. Okay, now I'm not going to wash my brush or clean my brush. I will take pure white color, pure white on the same brush, and then I will go very soft strokes on top, like that. I'm not going to blend so much because I need white to be seen a little bit more. I'm sure you can see, yeah, it's visible now. Yeah, I can see, yeah. Yes. Now I'm going to wipe my brush nicely with tissue and take pure white. I will go a little bit on top of yellow also to give more shine to my yellow color. A little bit on top of yellow. Make sure that your brush is not blue at all, or else you will kill the beauty of yellow color. You can see it's getting a little lighter. I like it. It's nice. I'm happy with this part, with this background. Now I'm going to do the reflection in water, and then I will do little sand here. Okay, so the color I prepared here, I will use the same tone for the reflection here. It shouldn't be different, it should be same. Very light blue color. Do the sides. Don't forget to do the sides. Okay, here I want to do flowers. If you notice in the reference image, there are two flowers, one big and one small. So what I will do is, what I will do is, just to make a little bit different from blue, I will use little purple for my drawing. So I'm using little purple. If you want to use pencil, you can also use pencil for drawing the flower. This flower is very simple, very easy. So yeah, just going to make one, multiply sign like that, and a plus sign like this. Let me bring this close, like that. Okay, then I'm going to just draw the petals, round petals, because the flower is close to the viewer, so that's why the flower shape should be more bigger than the mountain. So these are very simple shaped flowers. I'm sure you all can do it easily. Now I will do little small flower here. First plus sign, then multiply sign, and then I will go around them. So one big flower and one tiny small flower. You can see it's not something very difficult. I drew only five petals. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, I'll wipe my brush and I will continue with the blue background I was doing, light blue background. Okay, oh, that's very dark. Let me add a little light. Okay, so you can see I'm mixing here like that. So the water should be till the flowers, okay? Like that. So we are painting a beach right now. Do the sides. Don't forget the sides. Okay. Make sure you cover all the white areas of the canvas. Okay, I'm going to wash my brush. And I will take pure white. Okay, and then go a little bit over here because the sunlight should reflect here in the water, so it should be very bright and shiny. So I will take pure white paint and go over this light blue paint to show more shine. You can feel it. I can see here. Yes, like that. You don't have to blend so much because still paint is not dried properly. The paint is wet. I think this much shine is fine. Yeah. So basically we are working on the background first, okay? Then we will work on the middle ground and then foreground. So background, this is called middle ground. And then these objects, which we are going to do at the end, we call it foreground, okay? Yeah, I think this much is fine. Now I'm going to use this brown, light brown color. This is sand color. So if you don't have brown color, you can mix yellow, red and blue to make it brown, and then it will be a dark brown tone, and then you can add some little bit more yellow in it to make it more light yellow. Oh, light brown actually. So here I'm going to add brown for sand. Make sure you are doing the sides also, okay? I have to lift my canvas a little bit so I can do the sides. Like that. Wow, it's looking very nice. Beautiful. Very nice. I like it. I'm sure you will be liking your own work as well. You should appreciate your work. You should like your work. Then you will enjoy your painting. And make sure you are going only in one way, one direction, okay? Left and right. I think this much is fine. I will wipe my brush nicely with tissue and take pure white. I will load the paint on the brush, and here I'm going to add pure white strokes. I don't want to blend so much. Actually, I want to show a little bit, you know, some bubbles, some white. You know, when the waves are coming on the water, they create some white bubbles, so I want to create that effect. Yeah, this is nice. I like it. Now I will wipe my brush. I'll take more pure white and add a little bit more white here, just to create more bubbles, water bubbles. It looks nice. I love it. I like my work. Yes. Okay, so my background is done, my middle ground is done, and this part, what should I do? Sand. I will do sand here. If you have some little space here between these two flowers, you can also add sand like that. Okay. Do it here also. Done. So this is it for today. Next week we will be doing the middle, not next week we will be doing the foreground. So we will be completing this part, flowers, and some leaves on top. So leave your painting to dry nicely somewhere and then wait for the next session. Bye.